Hello class, my name is Millicent Kaburu. I am in the class PRM 300 Project Management. I am here to present the Widget project status report for the period starting 2018 May 27 and ending 2018 October 27. The overall status of this project is green. The first thing that I'll present is the specific elements that affect the overall status. One thing will be the poor implementation of change control by the employees, whereby if the employees do not implement the changes that they get or the changes that they make on their milestones and stuff, if they don't present it correctly, then it's gonna affect the status. The other thing is if the team members who are rendering the training fail to completely gather all the required training materials before the beginning of the project, that will also affect the status. If the course developers fail to conduct proper questionnaire assessment to gauge the employees' level of knowledge on the Microsoft suite and develop course according to the audience knowledge level within the 12 months of the start date, then that will also be another thing to affect the status. I'll also look at the milestones accomplished for the reporting period and any explanations. For this reporting period, we have checked on the prior knowledge assessment, where prior to the course development, each course developer assigned to a specific location per state has conducted a questionnaire assessment to gauge the audience level of knowledge on the Microsoft suite and develop courses according to the audience knowledge level. The second thing that we have accomplished on this reporting period is the travel schedule. Project managers have worked with location point of contact to decide which day to work best with them, and they have agreed when course developers will start forming scheduling. Next topic will be the milestones planned for the next reporting period and any pertinent details. For the next reporting period, we'll be looking at the development of the presentation for the management, which will be dealing specifically on the headquarters, the higher people on the offices, where most employees have so much prior knowledge on the usage of the Microsoft Office, so the course developers are focusing on the management tools with the suite. Then development of the presentation for all the employees will also be done based on the information gathered from the assessments that we have done on this current reporting period. Our course developers are crafting a presentation to showcase the needed information regarding the Microsoft suite. We'll also be dealing with the hands-on training, where the course developers are planning how to assess the employees' new learned skills by creating work-related scenarios tailored to what employees will be facing on a day-to-day life. On the last screen, I have a screen capture of the Gantt chart for the current period. As you can see, this screenshot is showing the milestones that we have accomplished for this reporting period. You have the everything presented and showing on the screen. The next thing, I'll just ask if there's anyone with a question, or anything to add. Go ahead and contact me. Thank you.